Shenzhen Skyhope Smart Technology, INC, was founded in 2015. We specialize in smart home appliances, educational audio-video products with OEM and ODM services. Our dust-free assembly lines produce smart TVs and interactive smart conference screens from 32 inches, 43 inches, 55 inches, 65, 100, up to 140 inches. Products are exported to North America, EU, Middle East, Latin America, Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. We use original component panels from LG, Samsung, and BOE with strict aging tests. This 55 bezel-less TV supports Google TV, OEM hotel system, and Android 14. With pre-installed Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Spotify, and 10 apps. It features 2K, 4K, 8K, QLED, ultra-clear display, and Dolby Audio. High-end models come with a 3-year warranty. We provide a full range of smart TV sizes for global markets.